production design you're a big part of.
That's apart from the line.
That's a different Steven Spielberg. Let's check out Steven Spielberg's reward.
Tropical Storm Hilary was reached the USA state of California, about bringing storm winds and flooding of Mexico's Pacific coast. It hit Mexico's Baja, California peninsula with the winds of 17 mph. One man died there while trying to cross a creek in the car. Several homes in the town of Santa Rosalia were currently flooded. Hilary will reckon is moving north by this first tropical storm to hit California in 84 years. The last time a tropical storm made landfall in Southern California was Long Beach in 1939. Experts said the recent abnormal weather events that have affected the US and several regions around the world have been caused by man-made climate change. The storm hit the northern part of Mexico, Baja, California peninsula at 11 o'clock local time. I warned that Hilary could cause life-threatening flooding in both Mexico and USA. In Mexico, 18,000 soldiers have been placed to stand by to assist rescue operations. Local authorities said the man who died in southern Baja, California state was one in the car, and a wife and children his family survived.
Alright, so it's looking like it's blowing a little faster. I mean, it's not like gnarly.
Dramatic videos create emergency in Santa Rosalia, one of the state's east coast, showing powerful torrents and a muddy water flowing down in main streets. According to California residents, breeds, sunbursts, sandbags, including in Long Beach in Palm Springs. Eugenie Adler, a Long Beach resident, told Reuters, "Flooding when people lose some property is one thing, but flooding when people die is another. I'm afraid that people might die." Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass called into unprecedented weather event, but Los Angeles has a lot of experience in responses to crisis, when it's wildfires or earthquake. Nearly 26 million people in southwestern United States are anti-flooding ward. Hilary was downgraded to Category 1 storm after breaking it Saturday, but officials continue to warn. The NHS said winds in the strength of tropical storm are spread up to 214 miles. There is a tornado risk from mid-monitoring through Sunday evening in parts of Colorado River Valley. The storm approached Major League Baseball, postponed 3 games in Southern California, and SpaceX postponed a rocket launch from the base on the Central California coast until the last Monday.
Alright, let's go home. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's go home, guys.
The National Park Service also closed the General R3 National Park in Muji National Preserve in California to keep visitors out to home awaiting close flooding. Hurricane Hilary is currently to Category 4 storm to the National Hurricane Center said could cause catastrophic life-threatening flooding in Baja, California and southwestern U.S., including Southern California. Much of the storms affected, including heavy rain and high winds, are expected to begin today and last through Monday. As the governor director of the more than 7,500 board announced being deployed locally to help communities protect Californians from the impact Hurricane Hilary. Authorities in Southern California pleaded to residents not to drive warning to debris flow, determined road dangerous mudslides, and flooding as some communities declared emergency response to the storm. One California official warning to Hilary could become one of the most destructive storms to hit the state in a year. The National Weather Service said parts of Los Angeles and Ventura counties are already experiencing dangerous flooding Sunday night, reading on social media.
How the fuck am I supposed to be doing anything out here in this goddamn motherfucking rain? Shit.
Torrential downpour triggered flash flooding in the northeast United States on Monday. That washed our roads, flooded routes, prompted 15 trip rescue boats and killed a woman who was swept away in the front of heavy winds, officials say. More than 30 million Americans are under flood watch, a warning from the eastern New York State, Boston, and western Maine to the northeast, the National Weather Service said in a forecast Monday, after a storm that began over the weekend inundated rivers and streams. A private forecast tentatively estimated damage to economic losses of $3 billion to $5 billion based in odds estimated method. More than 1,000 flights to and from airports across the region, including New York's LaGuardia and Boston Logan, were delayed or cancelled Monday because of the rain. Atmos suspended passengers train service between the state capital of Albany and New York City after flooding damaged track, as did the Metro North Commuters Railroad, which partially shares some tracks. New York State and Vermont were hardest hit. The service said more rain is expected overnight and it used impacing to additional flooded risk. Vermont officials call it flooding in the worst time Hurricane Irene reached the state tropical storm in 2011. This is particularly when Vermont Governor Phil Scott said in news conference. Parts of the Vermont has already received 6 to 8 inches of rain, turning streets into churning rivers. About 15 isolated people were rescued by a speedboat, said Mark Busman, a spokesman of the Vermont Office of Emergency Management. According to the National Service Office in Jackson, Mississippi, about 13 inches of rain came falling in Winston City by noon Tuesday. The weather followed days devastation flood in northeast. Heavy rain led to road closures, issuing several flash flooding warnings in Mississippi on Tuesday, a day after warning were issued for parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. The flash flood warning came a day after National Weather Service in Shreveport, Louisiana, warning that the dangerous amount of the rain could affect the country's southwest Arkansas and northwest Louisiana. An emergency flash flood warning indicated live threatening conditions was in effect with citizens including Louisville, Mississippi, which of the country. Flood warning were issued for other parts of the state. Winston City is about 100 miles north of Jackson. It is raining about 3 inches an hour. Meteorologists with the Weather Service office in Jackson said Tuesday afternoon, adding it is still continuing. Flooding is likely to continue throughout the Tuesday across much of the state, but the rain expected to stop later in the evening. More rain is expected on Friday, but it will be as heavy rain.